Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my respected lecturer, Miss Nurainatul binti Maknawi. I am Syamiera binti Muhammad ZALMIKI. So today, me along with my friends will be presenting about our website that we have made for Gazette's Cafe. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to take a moment to introduce my incredible teammate, IZZATI binti ZAHARUDIN, FARISYA HANIS binti AZHAR, Aina binti RAZALI, and me, Syamiera binti Muhammad ZALMIKI.
Introduction for Gazette's Cafe. Gazette's Cafe was newly established in 2024 by Madam Nurzai Fazni binti Muhammad Zaid. This Gazette's Cafe located near College Datu'on at UiTM Machang. She also operates other business including Fazni's Enterprise, which is Gazette's catering service. Gazette's Cafe operates daily except Monday, opening from 12 p.m. until 11 p.m. As customer, we can choose between takeaway or dine-in. Gazette's Cafe sell westerns, rice, drink, and junk food, especially Korean dishes.
So, there are the reasons why we choose Gazette's Cafe over other cafe. First of all, to support local entrepreneurs and introduce them to a larger audience. Next, to make outsiders aware of the existence of this cafe by making the website. Other than that, to allow customers to view menus and price directly. In addition, to promote the popular dishes at Gazette's Cafe, which is chicken buttermilk, and to make direct interaction with customers by providing features like contact forms and social media. Next, to help customers to make decisions by browsing the menu on the website. Lastly, sellers don't have to repeatedly send pictures of food or list of available menu items to customer via message, as all the information is readily available on website.
So next, what we use for making our website. First of all, we use tools such as Sublime Text. The programming languages, we use three, which first we start with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS style. For the hosting, we use GitHub.
For our home section, I am using JavaScript to welcome users. After they click the alert button, the home section will display the navigation bar and the bestseller menu, which is chicken buttermilk, will display. In this section, I use image background, which is a butter image, and link it with style CSS. I also use a href for the navigation bar. For the category section, I'm using link with CSS style and use khaki color as background color and brown color as hover. I also use border and border radius to make box. For the font type, I'm using sans serif to display text. And lastly, to make the space between image and text in the box, I'm using p tag. For western and right section, I'm using CSS for styling, href to specify the navigation bar, tooltip on the image to give hint to user to make order, h4 and h1 for header, image src to define image with width 220 px for the image, and I'm also using target blank to open WhatsApp in the new tab.
For the fast food and drinks category, I use CSS for styling and href to specify a navigation bar. Next, we use a tooltip on the image to give a hint for the user to make an order. As you can see, for the header, we use h1 and h4. For the image, we use a code img src to define the image. For your information, for the image, I use win 230 px and some of it 200 px. Lastly, we using target blend to open in a new tab.
For popular page, I use both external and internal CSS. External CSS is used for styling swiper, images, font, and many more, while the inline CSS is for simple background customization, which is brown as the background color. I made an image carousel using swiper container. This swiper has been set with an auto select feature with 3 seconds delay. The pagination is also clickable for easy navigation between slides. For the title, I use heading 2 with Career New as the font and some shadow to grab customers' attention. Moving to the popular dishes, I've made food card with burly wood background. It contains each dish's images, dishes names using heading 3, and a catchy description using P and italic styling. I also put the price in black and bold style so that customer can see it easily. Below the price, there are bootstrap card icons that only appear when the food card is hovered over. A simple alert box will be displayed at the top of the site and will redirect to a WhatsApp link after clicking OK. The alert function is implemented using JavaScript.
This is the About page for K6 Corner and Catering designed using HTML and CSS. First, the navigation menu provides easy access to different pages like Home, Category, Popular, About, and also Contact. In the business section, we display the K6 Cafe logo and share details about its kiosk near your ATM machine, as well as its main restaurant and other business. To make it easier for customer, we also add a WhatsApp order link for catering service. Next, we have image galleries for customer feedback and also staff rewards. These sections use a grid layout to keep things neat, and we've add hover effects to make the image more interactive. For the styling, we use a background image to enhance the page looks and add border to image for a clearer design and apply hover effects for a more dynamic user experience. Overall, this page is structured to be visually appealing, user-friendly and informative for K6 Corner and Catering's customer.
As for the contact section, we use brown for the background color of the page. And next, for styling, we link it with CS file. So as you can see, we have a contact form which we provide it to user to submit their data such as name, email, number phone, and so on. You see at the subject, we use a drop-down menu. Let users select any option they want, such as general, feedback, or inquiries, and many more. So for the operation hour, we list it using an ordered list such as UL. So next, I add a JavaScript function to display a submission alert after users send their message. When user click on the social media icons, it will forward them to the K6 food court's profile, which it is very easy for user to contact them. Last but not least, a table is used to organize address neatly. As you can see, there is no coding. For the navigation bar, it links with pages like home, category, contacts, and so on. Contact form, I use a text area, which it is to provide user to input their message. As you can see, my function alert is used to trigger a JavaScript function to display an alert upon submission. For the social media icons, I use box icon CDN to links with K6 food court profile.
Before we end our presentation, we want to show you our cafe website. I think that's all from us. Thank you.